Hey guys, welcome. If you are new to my channel, my name is Joji, and in today's video we are going to have so much fun because a few weeks ago I ordered a few makeup online. So I have the box in here. As you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't opened it because I wanted to open this with you guys. So these are the makeup that I haven't tried before, some brands that I haven't even tried their makeup line. We are going to open this box and see what's inside. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought, so let's go ahead and start the video. Okay, so before I open this box, guys, fun fact about me that this is my very first time ordering makeup online. I have never ordered makeup online, and this time I did because of all what's happening in the world. So I finally ordered makeup online and I can't wait to open this. I'm excited, but at the same time I'm nervous. So let's go ahead and open this. I do have the opener here. Let's open it. I'm excited, guys. So here you go. I can't believe I ordered it online, but you know, nowadays there's no problem. If you think you don't like it, you can always exchange it, or I think you can return the product. Although I'm not the person that really returns products a lot, so I don't know how would I feel about this. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. Anyway, so this is the receipt and it has my name. Okay, so it has my complete details in here, shredded for sure. So there is what? Wait. Okay, so I have to see it inside because it's in here. It says it has number 2. So I don't know if they gave me 2 or not, so let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm supposed to get 7 items in this box, but let's see. I'm kind of nervous. What if they give me 2 palette? Let's go ahead. Here's some paper. And here you go, guys. I'm just gonna show you inside. So you can see, it's right there. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna pull, oh, they gave me some samples. So this one is the Urban Decay Naked Foundation, I think. Let's see. Fluid Ultra. What's this? I think it's their foundation. So I've heard a lot of good reviews about this foundation as well. So I might try if I have time. And then this is Dior. What is this? Ooh, it is a, of course, Ultra Care Liquid. It's a liquid lipstick. And it has a few colors in here with the name, so I'm gonna try that as well. It's good to always try first before you buy because you never know, you might not like it. I have quite a lot of makeup that I don't know, maybe it's just because of my taste or it's just me changing, but in the first place when I swatch them or I buy them, like I really love them, but then like 2 months after, like I don't touch them anymore, I don't use them anymore. I don't know why, but that's just me. Okay, so here's the thing. Oh my god. So of course I ordered my brow pencil. This is from Benefit. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I ordered shade 3.75 warm medium brown. I used to order the, I think 4.75, but I think I wanted a lighter pencil this time, so I ordered that one. And then, ooh, what is this? Oh, another sample from Dior. This is what's inside. Okay, so this is Dior Addict. It's another lipstick, but I think it's in metallic. So it's a fancy packaging, guys. Good job, Dior. And then, oh my god, yes. Guys, why they sent me 2 palette. 2 Morphe palette, which is, I only want one. This is what you get if you order something online. Okay, so I'm just shocked. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the rest. What is this? So this one is, let's go ahead and look at this primer. So this one is from Too Faced. This is their Hangover Coconut Water Probiotic Based Ingredient Skin Revive. So it's the proactive, nourishing, replenishing face primer. So it's supposed to hydrate your skin. Yeah, I think it's silicone free. It's good for dry skin, I think. 100% smoother, 100% radiant, 100% hydrated, 100% appearance of a full night's rest. Oh, there's a lot of claims here, guys. So this is how it looks like inside. So this is also the first time that I'm going to try Too Faced brand. So can you believe that, guys? I haven't tried any Too Faced brand, and I actually bought quite a few items from Too Faced. So I have this concealer, Born This Way. This is how it looks like. It is so pretty. The packaging is bomb, like that. Pink and gold, of course, always looks good. And I do have the shade Light Beige, and let's see how it looks inside. And this is the concealer. It is giant bottle, like it has a lot of product, and this has 15 ml in here. So after you open, it's good for 12 months. Super coverage, Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. So this is how it looks like. All right, and let's go ahead and get this. Once I ordered also the foundation, Born This Way oil-free undetectable medium to full coverage foundation. So I have to try this one as well. There's a lot of good reviews in this one, and this is how it looks like inside. All similar to the concealer, but more fatter and bigger, of course. It's so cool. So those are my Too Faced order. And of course, I ordered some gloss and lipstick. I'm a gloss person, so I'm always looking for like a really nice gloss. So apparently, this Fenty, I thought I ordered 2 of this. Oh my god, I'm so mixed up. Maybe one. Never mind, guys. So this one is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Pump Universal Lip Luminizer, and I ordered the shade Hot Chocolit. I don't know. And this is how it looks like. The packaging is so fancy. It's very chic, and it has Fenty Beauty silver packaging. It is quite dark, but I assume when you put it on the lips, it's not going to be really dark. So, and then I ordered this Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk. This is the packaging inside. It is so fancy. It should be fancy, guys. And this is how it looks. So I can't wait to use all of this. I'm so excited, and I just couldn't believe that I have 2 eyeshadow palette from Morphe, and I'm lost. Like, I was distracted when I saw it. Like, oh, okay. Alright, so that's everything, and of course the palette, which is, I probably 100% will return the other one because I don't need it. There's so much product inside, and I don't think I would use all of it if I have to. If I feel lazy, maybe I will keep it and just give it to a lucky person, or who knows, guys, who knows what's gonna happen. So this is the Morphe Artistry palette, and it seems like they changed their packaging, because I used to see some of the packaging in their store. I think it's a little different. This one is a little bit more fancier. They definitely revamped their packaging, and that's how it looks like. It's a little more heavier. There you go, guys. That is the palette. As you can see, it is beautiful. It's warm tone. I definitely have a lot of warm tone color, and I'm so excited. I'm so sorry. I was just really distracted when I saw there's two palette in here. I was like, wait, what? Like, why? But I have to ask my friend just to double check if I did actually pay for two palette or not. If I didn't pay for it, I would definitely give it back to them for sure. It's better to give it back because, you know, it's nice to be honest, I think. Let me know if you have any suggestions that you want me to try. I would definitely try this Too Faced brand because this is my first time. They have a really good review about them. For me, sometimes it's just so hard for me to buy stuff when I have everything that it works, but you know, it's not bad to try something else. Thank you so much for watching. This is a very short video, but I just wanted to do this today because I wanted to share with you guys what I was actually shopping during the quarantine season. So thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, as well as leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions that you'd like me to try or anything that you want me to create out of this makeup. Let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys!